bad bros. I ran out and got this. Show it to you in a hot second. It's the Rubies Batman mask. I guess it's supposed to be the '89 Batman. On the outside of this box, it's not looking very cool, but we're gonna bust it open and see how it actually looks. I was told that it looks a lot better than it does on the outside of the box. Another guy that's on the Batman page that I belong to actually did a review and showed us all what it looked like. So I have mine. So I'm gonna get it open and see what it looks like. Interesting. Let's see how this stacks up to what I already have. Well, here it is. Looks like there's, I don't know, powder, baby powder. Does have the bat emblem. You know what? It's kind of ugly right now. Let's see how it looks putting it on. Oh hell. It seems to be, I was expecting for it to be tighter around my face because there was another purchaser that was saying that it felt like there was a lot of room. The neck seems pretty tight. Can't do the Batman turn. Anyway, I'm gonna have to wait until I put my glasses on to see how good or how bad this looks. Who knows? Maybe it'll just end up as a display. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. I'm Batman. I don't know. I can't tell if this is supposed to be the first Keaton Batman mask or the second one from Returns. I think the way it's sculpted is more of the Returns mask. Well, no, wait a minute, but because of his symbol, I think that's what makes it the original '89 mask. But anyway, had a chance to try it on. Didn't fit too bad. It's a little loose in the face. Neck was pretty tight. But overall, for basically $50, think it was a good buy.